Hello everyone, welcome to YourPedia. So recently Airport Authority of India announced new vacancies for ATC and the number of vacancies are 309 for all BTech and BSc students. Okay, so we are started our batches for this module. For more information you can join us, and for more information you can check our description also. And we are running this batch fifth time and our results are really good. For more information please join us. And today this is a reasoning session, and in this session we are going to solve PYQs of 2023 morning shift. Okay, so we all know that there are 15 questions from this portion, from this reasoning portion, and the level of questions are moderate and we can easily score 15 out of 15. Okay, so now we are going to start our session. See, the reasoning portion is not that much easy and not that much difficult. If we read the question carefully and if our concepts are really good, so we can easily score 15 out of 15. Okay, so our target is we need to score this 15 marks in our exam. Okay, chalo, let's start. First question is from blood relation. See, blood relation is very important topic if you are preparing for any exam. So one or two questions from blood relations is always there. Okay, one or two questions from blood relation. So this question is very easy. See, we use family tree in blood relation. Okay, family tree. Okay, I tell you what is family tree. See, what is the meaning of family tree? The meaning of family tree, how we can draw the question with the help of family tree. See, there are some relations in every family. So, what is a basic relation of blood relation? Okay? That is a relationship between husband and wife. So, how can we draw a husband and wife? We can draw a husband and wife with two equal horizontal lines. What is the meaning of this horizontal line? Horizontal line means same generation. We are talking about same generation. Okay, got it? And what is the meaning of vertical line? Vertical line means there is a generation gap. Now, first relation is husband and wife. Now they got married. Now second relation is relationship between parent and children. So we use one vertical line to draw a relationship between parent and children. Okay, so parent can be father or can be mother. Okay, so and children can be son or can be daughter. Okay, we use these lines to draw this question. So next, what is the next relation in a family? That is a relationship between siblings. So how we draw brother and sister? We use one single line to draw a relationship between brother and sister. And we use two signs. For male, we use plus sign, bache, and for female, we use minus sign. Okay, so let's draw this question. Let's draw this question. He is saying that A is a father of B. Now A is a parent. So we use, there is a generation gap between A and B. So we use one vertical line to draw a relationship between A and B. So A is a father. So A is a male. So we use one sign, that is plus. Plus means A is a father. That means A is a male. Next, B is a father of C. Now, B is the father of C. Gender of B is given, but gender of C is not given. Now, C is a brother of D. So, we use one single line, horizontal line, that means sibling. C is a brother of D. Now, D is a husband of E. Bache, D is a husband of E. So, we use two horizontal line between D and E. That means D is a husband of Let me draw it. So that means D is a husband of E. So D is a husband of E. Next, how is E related to B? What is the relationship between A and B? How is E related to B? So this is E and this is B. So B is a father of C and D, and D is a husband of E. That means B is father-in-law of E, and E is daughter-in-law of B. So how is E related to B? That means E is daughter-in-law of B. So answer of question number 1 is D. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, let's do question number 2. See, when we check this question, there are some numbers, and this is our left side and this is our right side. See, for reasoning, always read the question carefully. This is very important. When you read the question carefully, you can get your answer within seconds. Always read the question carefully. This is very important trick for reasoning. When you read the question carefully, you can get your answer within seconds. Okay, now no need to read these numbers, just read what is given after these numbers. He is saying that 100 place digit of the leftmost number. So what is the leftmost number? That is 386. Hundreds place digit. So this is 10th place, this is unit place, ones place, this is 10th place, and this is 100 place. So 100 place digit is 3. Next, and 10th place digit of the rightmost number. So 549 is a rightmost number, and 4 is a 10th place unit of this number 549. So then he is saying that add both the numbers with each other, and we got 7. Now, what will be the value of the square of the resultant sum? Now we have to check the square of this number. What is the square of 7? Square of 7 is 49. So students, answer of this question is 49. This question is very easy. Only read the question carefully, then you can get your answer. Okay, let's check question number 3. Now, this question is very important. This topic is very important. See, this is series. So we have 2 types of series, number series and letter series. So this question is from number series. So we have some numbers: 211, 206. Next, find out this. What is the next number? Okay. So 206, then 200, then 223, then 194, and then 129. See, first is 211, then 206. Less than 211. Next, see, next is 200, then 223 is more than 200, then this is less than 223, and this is more than 194. So we know that we can check that this is a type of twin series. Twin series means there are 2 series in one series. See, 211, then 223, then 229. So what is the gap between 223 and 229? So when we add 6 in 223, then we got 229. Next, see, 206 minus 6, then we got 200, then minus 6, we got 194. So this is a series of plus 6, and this is a series of minus 6. So plus 6, plus 6. So 211 plus 6 is equal to 217. Very easy question. Just add plus 6 and then subtract 6. So this is a question of twin series. So what is the answer? Answer of this question is bache 217. Clear everyone? Chalo. This question is also very easy, not that much difficult. Next question is from puzzle. Okay. See, weight of 5 bats. B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5 is compared. Okay. We have to compare these 5 bats according to their weight. Now, read the question carefully and write down each and everything what is given in this question. Weight of B4 is more than the weight of B1 and less than the weight of B2. He is saying that the weight of B4 is more than the weight of B1 but less than the weight of B2. Write down each and everything in these type of question if the question is from puzzle. Now, weight of B5 is more than weight of B3. B5 is more than the weight of B3. Now, in first statement, we compare these 3 bats with each other. In second statement, we compare these 2 bats with each other. Now, the weight of B2 is less than the weight of B3. Now, he is comparing B1 with B3. So, we know that the weight of B2 is less than B3 and the weight of B4 is less than B2 and the weight of B1 is less than B4. So, whose weight is more than B4 but less than B3? Who's between B4 and B3? More than B4 but less than B3, that is B2. So, answer of this one is B2, not B1. So, only option 1. Answer of this question is only option 1 because the weight of B2 is more than B4 and less than B3. Okay? Chalo, let's move on now. Question number 5. See, I told you there are 2 types of series, number series and letter series. This question is from letter series. Students, this question is from letter series. Now, R, Q, R, X, Z, E, D, I, R, J, R, E. What will be the next term? Now, see, what is the place value of R? Always write down place values. What is place value? What is the place of R in alphabetical order? So, place of R is 18 from left side when we are counting from A to Z from left to right. So, this is 18. So, this is 24, this is 4 and this is 10. Now, 18 plus 6 is 24. 4 plus 6 is also 10. When we add 6 in X, so we have, because only 26 letters are there. So, when we add 6, so after Z, A is there, then B is there, then C, then D. So, that's why after 24, D is there. After X, D is there. When we add 6 in 10, that means 16. So, at 16, P is there. So, our first letter must be P, but we have 2 options. P, not this one, not this one. So, in first option, second letter is R. In second option, second letter is A. So, we need to check only the second letter. So, what is the place value of Q? That is 17. Place value of Z? That is 26. Place value of I is 9. Place value of R is 18. So, 17 plus 9 is equal to 26 or 26 plus 9 because 26 is the last letter. So, at 9 place We have I, so that's why I is there. So 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. That's why R is there. So 18 plus 9. 27, 27, but we have only 26. That means at 27 we have A. So our answer is PAR. No need to check the third letter because in option 1 and 2, first letter is P and second letter is different. So if we check after P A is there, so we are 100% sure that our answer is PAR. Clear everyone? Chalo. Now this question is from mathematical operations. Okay, so in reasoning, in mental ability, or we can say that general intelligence, examiner wants to check your basic mathematical skills also. Okay, so this question is from mathematical operation. For mathematical operation we use board mass. So what is board mass? So bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, so let's read the question. If P means multiply, okay, where is P? P is here. So P means multiply, Q means minus, Q means minus, P means multiply, R means division, R means division, Q means minus, and S means plus. S means plus. Then which of the following is not correct? See which of the following is not correct. So first we'll check option A only. That is 44 plus 51 divide 17 minus 20 multiply 4 is equal to 31. So first divide 51 with 17 because we need to apply board mass here. So check first divide 51 with 17. So we have 3. Now our next, after solving this, 44 plus 3 minus 20. Now multiply 20 with 4. That is 80. So see, 44 plus 3, that is 47, and when we subtract 47 from 80, our answer is not 31. So option 1 is not correct. So answer of this one is C. Only one, only 2. So only 2 is not our answer. Neither 1 nor 2 is our answer. So both 1 and 2. For this option, we have to check the option number second also. Now, second is 57 divide 19 plus 5 multiply 10 minus 18. First divide, that is 3. Then multiply, that is 50 minus 18. So 53 minus 18 is equal to 35. So this option is correct. So this is correct. So answer of this one is only 1 is incorrect. Got my point? See, if this option is not there, in that case, no need to check the second statement. But we have this option also that both 1 and 2 are incorrect. So that's why we have to check the second statement also. Next. This question is from odd one out or classification. Here 4 options are there and see odd one out. We have to find out which option is different. Okay, this question is from classification, or we can say that odd one out. In this option we have to check which in this question we have to check which option is different from others. Okay, see, in option D, here EE, here UU, here KK, but not in this option. So maybe this is different. Okay, let's check. L, देखो, KL, after K, L is there, after A, B is there, after Q, R is there. But after V, W should be there, but here is K, so V W. This is different. So answer of question number 7 is option A, because this is different. Okay, here this topic name is odd one out. Find out which option is different from others. See, first check, always save your time. Okay, no need to check this side letters. If we check these side letters, here see E is there, U is there, K is there, but after K, L is there, A next letter B, Q next letter R, but after V, W should be there, but not in option number A. So that's why answer of question number 7 is A. This question is from analogy. Okay, this question is from analogy. Okay, one relationship is there. We have to find the same type of relationship in the given options. See, B, Z, W, Y is related to A, X, T, U. Okay, first find the logic here. How B, Z, W, Y is written as A, X, T, U. Then we can find the same type of options in the given alternatives. Place value of B is 2, place value of Z is 26, place value of W is 23, and place value of Y is 25. Place value of A is 1, place value of X is 24, place value of T is 20, place value of U is 21. Place value of U is 21. For C, for ATC exam, there are so many, I think so 4-5 questions are only from alphabetical order. So for that, please, learn these place values. Learn the place values from left side only. Okay, no need to learn the place values from right side, because every letter has 2 place values, one from left side and one from right side. But for these type of exam, just learn the place values from only left side, and we have one formula also. With that formula we can find out the place values from right side also. Okay, and if we learn opposite letters, so we can find the place values with the help of opposite letters from both sides. Okay, now check. See, B minus 1, A. 26 minus 2 is 24. 23 minus 3 is 20. 25 minus 4 is 21. So, what is the pattern here? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. For options, just check option number 1. First, minus 1 and minus 4 only. Then if both are there, so in that case we have to check minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, I minus 1 is H, M minus 1 is not P, N minus 1 is M, this can be our answer. R minus 1 is not L. So we are left with only 2 options, A and C. Now, place value of Z is 26 and place value of B is 22. So minus 4 means 26 minus 4 is equal to 24. So option 1 can be our answer. But place value of T is 20 and place value of Q is 17. So here minus 3. So this is not our answer. So we are left with option A only. First minus 1 and last minus 4. No need to check minus 2 and minus 3. First check minus 1, the first letter, and then check the last letter only. Okay. This topic is very important. The name of the topic is syllogism. If you are preparing for any exam, one or two questions from Syllogs is always there. This topic is very important, one of the most important topic of reasoning. Okay, so we use a Venn diagram here. See, some red or black. So red is a subject here and black is a predicate here. So how we can draw some red or black with the help of Venn diagram? Some red or black. Okay. Now this is black. Okay. This is black. Now no blue is red. No blue is red. See, in slogs, if we have direct relationship between two circles, okay? So this is a circle for blue and this is a circle of red. So we can, in this statement, he is saying that no red is blue. That means we are 100% sure if no red is blue, that means no blue is red. So no blue is red and no red is blue. This is true. Now, he is saying that no blue is black. So, there is no direct relationship given between blue and black. See, he is saying that no blue is red and some red are black. Okay. So, direct relationship given between blue and red and between red and black. So we don't know this portion of black is blue or this portion, this blue is black. So whole blue can be black and this portion of black can be blue. So there is a possibility between blue and black. So that's why option A is wrong, because when there is a possibility, there is a doubt. So we cannot draw any definite conclusion. Okay, some statements are there in Syllogs and we have to draw some conclusions. But if we are in doubt that no direct relationship given, no direct relation is given, in that case there is a possibility. So we cannot draw any definite conclusion from that statement. Okay, clear? Very important topic. One more important topic. This is also very important. This topic is sitting arrangement. Sitting arrangement. There are two types of sitting arrangement. Circular, when they are sitting around a table. So shape of a table can be circular, square, hexagon. Okay, and sometimes they are sitting in a line. So line can be horizontal or can be vertical. Now read the question carefully. 7 person M, N, O, P, Q and R. M, N, O, P, Q, R and S, 7 person are sitting in two rows, sitting in a row facing towards south, not two rows, sitting in one row and facing towards students south. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now their faces, they are facing toward south. See, if we are facing north, this is a right, this is a left. But if we are facing south, this side is our left side and this is the right. So here 7 person are facing towards south, so this is left and this is right. Okay. Now R is not at the extreme end of the row. He is saying that R is not at the end of this row. Okay, extreme end of the row. So we know that R is not at the right end and R is not at the left end. P sits at the 5th position to the right of M. See, if P is 5th to the right of M, that means M is to the left of P. See, if A and B are sitting together, B is right of A, that means A is left of B. Same way, if P is right of M and they are facing south, that means M is left of P and P sits 5th to the right of M. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means there are 4 persons between P and M. Okay, so let's draw the possibility here. If there are 2 possibilities, see, if M is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, P is there. If M is there, 4 persons are there between them, 1, 2, 3, 4 and at 5th right, P is 5th to the right of M. Okay, so there are 2 possibilities. We draw one possibility above this line and one possibility below the line, because in exam we don't have that much time ki hame just draw 2 lines. No need to draw 2 lines here. Because only some person are there, so we can write down this way, one possibility above this line and one possibility draw below this line. 2 persons are sitting between M and R. If M is there, 1, 2, 2 persons sitting between M and R. If M is there, 1, 2, 2 persons sitting between M and R. Clear? Next, P, 2 persons sitting between M and R. P and R are not immediate neighbors of each other. In both possibilities, P and R are not immediate neighbors of each other. S sitting at the second position from the left of R. So left of R this side. 1, 2, S is there. 1, 2, S is there. In this possibility, S is second to the left of R, and in this possibility, S is also second to the left of R. That means that side. So this is a left side. Now, N sits at the 4th position to the right of O. So, who is at the 3rd position from the left end and right end respectively? Okay. N sits at the 4th position to the right of O. O's right, that means this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 persons should be there between O and N. In this possibility, if I draw P and R are not immediate neighbor, P sits, 2 persons sits between M and R. So 3 persons should be there between O and N. If O is there, for example, in this possibility, if O is there, 1, 2, 3 at 4th positions. So N is there, 3 persons between O and N. So N is at the extreme right. For example, if O is there, 1, 2, 3, 4th, N should be here, but it's already R. So if O is there, 1, 2, 3, 4th. So this possibility is wrong. We are 100% sure that N is at the right end, then P, then R, then O, then S, and then M. So we are left with Q. So Q is here. So in this question, who is 3rd position from the left and 3rd position from the right respectively? First check 3rd position from left. So this is our left hand, 1, 2, 3. 3rd from left is O and 3rd from right is Q. So our answer is O and Q. I think so options are wrong. 3rd from maybe there is some typing error. So 3rd from left is O, 1, 2, 3, and 3rd from right, 1, 2, 3 is Q. So we can go with option B. Answer is O and Q respectively. First check 3rd from left, then check 3rd from right. Clear everyone? So this question is very easy. Now, question number 11. This question is from approximation. We use our basic mathematical skills here. So, 6, he is also saying that what approximate value will come in the place of x? 628 root. So, which exact perfect square is very close to 628? That is, student, 625 is a square of 25. Into, we consider it 2 and then we consider it 3. Okay, because approximation. And so 25 into, so this is more than, because 2.75, so after 0.5, so if after 0.5 is there, so we consider the value more than the first number. So 25 into 9. So tell me, what is the value of 25 into 9? That is, see, 25 into 10 is equal to 250, and 25 into 9 is equal to 225. So answer of this one is 225, because this question is from approximation. Next, coding decoding, one more very important topic. This question is from coding decoding. Bottom is written as OBTTMO. This question is from jumbling. Both letters are jumbled with each other. Same way, prompt is coded as CRPMO and then TP. Now we have to find out the code of a pair. Like this, jumble both letters or interchange both letters with each other. PAEPRA. So answer of this one is PAEPRA. PAEPRA, that is option C. So this question is from coding decoding. Next question is from approximation. See, 16 multiply. See, this, when we, okay, 16 root 2, then have 1 by 4. So just cut 2 by 2 with 1/4. So we, with the exact value of, if 16 square, it doesn't mean 16 square. If we cut these values with each other, so we can write down like this. This is root 2. Meaning of this is root 2. So 16 root 2 plus 31 into 8 is equal to x into 7, like this. Okay. So 16 into 4 plus 31 into 8, then divide with 7, then is equal to x. 16 into 4 is 64 plus 31 into 8, that is 248. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24, and then divide with 7. है ना? That is because multiplication is there. So 64, that is 2, 1, 3, 1, 2. When we divide 3, 1, 2 with 7, 16 into 4, okay, then plus 31, or we can say that 32 also, okay. So if we, because this is more very close to 32, so this value of this one is 32. So 32 into 8, see, because this is very close to 32. So 64 plus 32 into 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, plus 1, 256 divided with 7. So I think so, if we consider it 8 na, because both are multiples of 8, bache, both are multiples of 8. Just consider it 8, because here we need to find out the value in approximation only. So 64 plus 8 is equal to 5, 6, 6, 12, 320, I think so, hai na? So when we see cut 320 with 8, so 8 4s are 32 and 1 0 is there. So answer of this one is 40. So when we consider, how we can consider 7? is 8 because 64 and 256 is multiple of 8, not multiple of 7. So here we find out the value in approximation. So just consider 7 as 8. Okay, clear? Now 8 friends are sitting around a square table facing center. They sit in such a way that 4 of them sit at the corners of the square and 4 sits in the middle of each of the 4 sides. See, I told you sitting arrangement is very important. 2 questions from sitting arrangement in this shift. One from linear equation, that means linear, when they are sitting in a line, linear arrangement, and one when they are sitting around a table. Shape of a table can be circular, square, hexagon, rectangular, है ना? So in this question the shape of a table is square. So 4 of them sitting at the corner and 4 of them sitting in the middle of the table. And only Z sits between S and X. See, here we know that Z sits between S and X, but we don't know what is the position of S and X. X can be right side or can be left side of Z. Same way S can be right or can be left. So there is a 2 possibility. So just draw these 2 possibility only in one table, one inside the table and one outside the table. In one possibility X is here and S is here. In second possibility X is here and S is here. 2 possibilities are there. S sits in the middle of one of the side. Okay, so S sits in the middle of one of the sides. B sits third to the right of X. X third right. 1, 2, 3. B is here. In this possibility 1, 2, 3, B is here. Both Y and Z are immediate neighbors of each other. Y and Z are immediate neighbors of S, not each other. Both Y and Z are immediate neighbors of S. See, in this possibility, Y and Z are immediate neighbors of S, but not in this possibility, only in this possibility. Y and Z are immediate neighbors of S. T, so this possibility is wrong inside because here Z and V is a immediate neighbors of S. Next, T sits second to the left of U. Up. Next, T sits second to the left of U. When we are sitting facing the center, this is our left side bache and this is the right side. So we are moving toward clockwise direction. When we are facing the center, left means clockwise direction. Okay, so if he is saying that T sits second to the left of U, if U is there, 1, 2, T is here. If U is there, 1, 2, T should be here, but it is X, so this possibility is right. So we are left with only one person, that is, I think so, S, T, U, V, W, that is W. So W is here. Who sits third to the left of X? Third left of X. So left side, that means clockwise direction, 1, 2, 3. So answer of this one is Y. Y is third to the left of X. Okay, clear? Next, question number 15. In the word Reynolds, all the letters are placed by the letter which is 4 placed before it as per the English alphabet. Okay, see, in this question, he is saying that all the letters in the word Reynolds replaced with the letter which is 4th places before it as per the English alphabet. No need to replace the letters first. First check the question carefully. Always read the question first. Okay, this is very important. Then what will be the 5th alphabet in the newly formed word from the right end? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is right end. Only here, subtract 4 letters. 25 minus 4 is 21. That is U. So our answer is U. No need to replace all these letters. Just replace fifth letter from right side in the word Reynolds. So answer of this one is D, that is U. So this is our shift 1 morning shift paper, December 2023. So see, according to my analysis, this paper is not that much easy or not that much difficult. The level of the paper is moderate and we can easily score 15 out of 15 with some practice and with some short tricks. Okay. So for more information, you can contact us. Please read the description for more information. And we are successfully running this module 5th time from the last 4 years. Okay. So there are so many students who joined us, okay, for their success. Please join us. For more information, you guys can contact us. Thank you.